Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in our pineapple. This is a pineapple and today we do color in our pineapple. Let's learn some colors. These are colors, cute colors. Let's learn some colors name. This is green color, blue color, peach color, yellow color, red color, sky blue color. Now we color in our pineapple. Light green color, yellow, next light green, now we use some different color, sky blue, next red color, this is multicolor pineapple, our pineapple is ready. Let's revise again. How many colors in our pineapple? Green color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color and light green color. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.